In this session, we will see the cron jobs. Okay. So far we discussed all installation stuff, right? There is offline installation, but not much important. But I will share the RPM commands. Okay. So those RPM commands are useful in the real-time projects. So once you are onboarded into the project, so if you want to fetch the package details, if you want to see more information about the package details, package, so then you can use the RPM commands. So I have a list of RPM commands I will share you. Okay. So for interview purpose, you can remember those. But in the real time, right? So nobody use RPM command to install the packages. So 99% people are going with the YUM only. Okay. Fine. So today I will explain the cron jobs. Okay. I think this is fourth topic. Fine. Before jumping into the cron job, I will explain. Someone asked, right? Echo command. So what is the purpose of the echo command means? Echo command, if you want to write some message, okay. So I want to write, I want to greet you. Hi everyone, good evening. I want to greet you people. Okay. So how to greet means simply you can use this command echo in the double quotes. You can keep your message. Okay. So normally general meaning of the echo is it's a resound, right? I mean, if you do anything, right, it will reply back the same thing. Like if you go any empty room, an empty room, you just say hi, some reflection will come, right? Echo will come, right? So here also you are passing this to the your server, then server will replace the same as a output. Okay, I will show you now. Let me connect to my mission. I am going with EC2 user. Then I am switching to the root. This is the best practice. Okay, fine. Now I will echo this command. Okay, fine. Echo in the double quotes. I will paste this content. Okay, paste, you know, right? Right click. I hope you are already familiar with the copy and paste. Okay, so in the Linux terminal, if you select anything, right, that will be copying. So it's copied now. You can go and paste here. Right click, paste means whatever you selected, right, that will be copying. See, this is copied. Okay, so here selecting is the copy, right click is the paste. Okay, fine. Now I am going to execute this command. Observe the screen. See, that's it. Hi everyone, good evening. These dot dots. You can give anything in the double quotes. You can give anything. See, hi. You can write anything, any numbers, whatever you want. You can. Okay, but make sure end with the double quotes. Even you can write with the single quotes also. Single quotes also you can write. Okay, see, this will write. Even you can give the numbers also. Calculations, yeah, calculation is another command. BC is the command. Okay, you can do calculation also, binary calculator. You can try. Fine. So echo is the command which will writes your input as a output. That's it. Whatever you are writing under between these codes, either single code or double code, simply it will give the output. Now there is a sign in your keyboard which is greater than sign. Okay, so greater than less than signs are there, right, in your keyboard. This greater than sign. So what does it mean? If you want to store the output, see, this is the output, right? This is the output. Now I want to store this output in one file. Okay, so again let me execute this command. Okay, so echo, sorry, so echo, one second guys, so echo, then welcome to SK Technologies. Okay, so now I want to save this output. Okay, I want to save this output in one file. Then simply you can type echo, same command. Then you can use this append symbol, greater than. Then you can give file name. Even you can, first time you are giving, right? So first time it will go and create this file and store this output. Okay, even the file not exist also. Okay, so my output dot txt. So this command what it will do, see, earlier this file not exist. Now you can go and list the file. Okay, so list the file under /tmp my output. Oh, sorry, my output.txt, right? See, file has been created and it is having the data with the 26 size. Okay, now even you can go and read the file also. emp my output. Okay, see, whatever you are written here, right, in the echo command, the same output stored in this file. This is the content. Okay, now what I will do, I will write same command with different message. Okay, now I will same this append symbol and the same file I will give. Okay, observe the screen carefully. My output.txt. Okay, so enter, done. Now if you go and read the file, right, this will be override the exist data. Okay, it will overwrite the data. That's it. See, this welcome to SKTech Technologies, this data is gone. It's overwritten by another value. Okay, so again you can go and see, you can give like just hi. Okay, or my number. Okay, this will be overwrites the, can read the file. See, it's overwritten. Okay, to overcome this, you can give this one append symbol. So two greater than. Okay, now it won't overwrite. Observe the screen. Okay, now you can go and read. See, there are two lines now. Now again you can go and execute this command. Okay, on same file I am storing. Now you can read. See, oh sorry, my bad. I used again single, right? See, now it's all two lines overwritten by this line. Okay, now you can go and execute this command. Okay, now observe. Now this will be also available and numbers also available. See, both lines available. Now again you can do this one with the append symbol. Now you can do only once. Okay, only once you can give. Now this will be adding. Okay, very simple. Logic is if you use only one greater than, right, it will, it represents the, it will overwrites. Okay, so this will, what it will do, it will append. Append in the sense same data exists and another line it will create and store the that output. Okay, this is the two things. Fine. Are you getting, guys? Fine. Now what I will do, I will not execute this echo command. Okay, I will not execute this command. I will instruct to the system, hey system, I want to execute this command so on so time. Okay, so see, right now I am executing explicitly, I return this command and I am triggering the enter, then it will execute and it will store the data here. Correct. But now what I will do, I will not go and write all this command and execute. So I will ask system to execute. That is known as the your jobs. Okay. So job nothing but a, instead of you are running the commands, your system will take care of the executions. That's it. But it will, you are specifically giving the timings. When do you want to execute? At what time? On which day? In which month? Even in which day also. There is a syntax. Okay. So you should follow. Then you can execute the, you can ask system to execute the commands. That's it. That is known as the job. In the mobiles, there is a feature called alarm. Why people are using alarms, guys? Generally, to remind something. To remind something is to do, right? Not alarm. Of course, similar functionality. Generally, people why use, why people are using alarm? Generally, exactly. If they want to wake up at early morning, then people are keeping the alarms, right? Okay, you are instructing to your mobile. Okay, so early morning 5 o'clock. When 5 o'clock means AM. See, explicitly you are mentioning the timing and this meridians, right? Anti meridian, post meridian. Correct. So then whenever your system, whenever your mobile, the timing reaches this reaches this time, right? Then it will trigger. It trigger. Okay. So it will trigger. Then it will give some sounds based on your settings. It will give the alarm sounds. That's it. Same way in our servers also. Okay. In our servers also, there is a some command. Okay, there is a some command you want to trigger, the same echo command you want to trigger. When? Okay, so there is a syntax. So everything we are going with the commands only, right? Okay, so here also we have a commands and you have to follow the syntax. We know, right, already. Purpose, this stanza we know, right? Purpose, command, syntax. Correct. This we already followed. We have been following, right? So I want to schedule. Job nothing but a schedule. I want to schedule a job. Okay. So command is cron tab. Syntax I will tell you now. Okay, syntax is like there are 5 stars, then your command. This is the Crontab syntax. Very, 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 very important. Not only for Linux, other teams also people are using this syntax. Okay. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then whatever the thing you want to execute, either script or command. Okay. Even you can execute scripts also. That's it. Based on your condition, right? Based on this syntax, right? The system time reaches this syntax, then it will execute this command. That's it. That is known as the job. Okay. So there are two types of jobs. Two types of jobs. One is at job. Okay. And second one is the cron job. Okay. Then what is difference between at job and cron job means? At job is okay. So at job is this is single time execution. Okay. Single time execution. This one is a cron job is repeated. That's it. So see 5 o'clock you want to early morning 5 o'clock you want to execute. So today 00 it will start time 00 it means 12 o'clock right midnight 12 o'clock then 1 2 then 5 o'clock whenever it reaches the 5 o'clock right then it will trigger again same scenario tomorrow also will come right then again it will trigger so day after so on so until you remove this command until you remove the job it will be always triggering that is known as the cron job. Okay, repeatedly. Okay, but sometimes people ask you to schedule only single time but that's very rare case. Okay, so single time execution only one time execution, that's it, that's known as the odd job. Clear guys? Any questions so far? Yeah, see I'm just explaining what is job. So how to schedule and all we will see now. What are these stars, what are these values, okay, how to schedule all these things we will discuss now. Okay, so job nothing but a scheduling a job nothing but a in the general way instead of yourself triggering the command or executing the command you are asking to your system to trigger. Okay, see definitions, there are many ways you can explain the things. Okay, so my best way is prepare your own sentence, own definition and explain and give answers in the interviews. So of course if you go on google it definitely there will be a definition what is cron job. Okay, so don't go with the book knowledge. Okay, first try to understand then prepare your own sentence then you can tell the same thing. Okay, so cron jobs direct question will come. Okay, so cron job first you can explain first job is nothing but a rather than you are triggering the commands you are asking system to trigger the commands, that is known as the job. There are two types of jobs, at job and cron jobs. At job is single time execution, cron jobs means so multiple times repeatedly we are repeatedly the system is triggering the jobs, that is known as the cron job. Then you can come to the this syntax. Cron job having the syntax, so 5 stars and either command or script. Okay. Now we will see what is this 5 stars and all. Okay. So this is the way you have to explain. This is mandatory question in the interviews, Linux interviews. Okay. And these 5 stars, right? These 5 stars not only for the Linux, okay, other application, even application teams also, people are scheduling the jobs from their perspective. Okay. And database team also, backup teams. See, every day, see, backup also very crucial part. Okay. Data backup, OS backup. Okay. So every day people are making the transactions, right? Let's assume it's a banking project. Okay. So banking project, in every day in the banks, many people are coming making the transactions, either withdrawals, deposits, check deposits, net banking, so many things they are making the transactions, right? So data keep on adding to your system, correct? So definitely you have to take the backup. Okay. So every day they will take at 11:30 p.m. Okay, 11:30 p.m. So who will sit in front of the system at midnight, guys? Of course, we have 24 by 7. You may answer like night shift people. So night shift people can take the backup, sir. Okay, fine. This is one server. Okay, this is running with the Linux. One server means happily you can take. Imagine in the real-time projects, there might be 3000 plus servers. Does this possible, guys? 3000 servers, one guy can take the backup at 11:30. Will it make sense? Will it make sense? Not at all. Correct? That is the reason we are asking to the system. So one time you can configure. Okay. Then all 3000 servers at 11:30. Okay. The moment time reaches to the 11:30, then immediately all 3000 servers will take the backup at a time. So that is the reason. This is the real-time use case, guys. Someone asks you, hey, why do you want to schedule the job? There is a backup team in our project, so they requested us to schedule these jobs. Okay, some minor projects, right? So our OS team only will take the backups. This is different scenario, but you can tell them like on a real-time use case. That is the reason you should join the class at 7 o'clock. See, now you came in between now you're asking the questions. See, I only accepted your request. You joined around 7:15. Hmm? That is what, man. I explained all the story. Now you are coming and asking the same question. Hmm? So why sharply 7 o'clock? Prior 5 minutes you can join the class. Hmm? Make availability. See, every day 1 hour only we are connecting, right? See, again, if you raise the question, again I need to start from scratch. Yes, yes. So every day people are taking the backup. It means it's a repeated job only. Okay. So this is the one. One of the real-time use case. Okay, if someone asks you in interviews, you can explain taking the backups. For taking backup purpose, we are scheduling the jobs. Sometimes developers will ask you, hey, Linux team, we want to schedule one script. Then you can ask them, when do you want to schedule? Then they will give specific time, date, month, day also. Then accordingly, you have to generate the syntax based on your request. Then you can go on schedule. Okay, fine. Now I will technically how to create the jobs, how to manage and all we will see. Okay, so command we are already written here. Crontab is the command. Okay, so syntax is your 5 stars, then either command or script. Okay, then first star means, this means minutes. Okay, so how many minutes we have, guys? Normally 60 minutes. The values are coming from 0 to 59. Okay, values also very important. Then second star means this is the hours. How many hours per day? So 0 to 23 will come. Okay, fine. Then third star, this is the day of the month. Okay, so day of the month, how many days we have in a month? 31 maximum, right? Maximum 31, it means 1 to 31 values, 1 to 31. Fine. Then fourth star is the, any guess? Any guess, guys? Seconds, huh? Others? Not seconds, huh? Not even year, some month. Then remaining months only, yeah? Okay. 1 to 12. Okay. Then finally, fifth star is day of the week. Okay. So either you can go with 0 to 6. Okay. 0 means Sunday. 0 means Sunday, or you can go with 7 also Sunday. 1 to 7 also Sunday. Okay. 0 Sunday, 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, like this, 6 Saturday, again 7 Sunday. So Sunday having 0 or 7. 0 or 7 means Sunday. Okay. Remember, this value is also very important. So based on this, I will give a scenario. Okay. So, hey Linux team. Okay. So this is the mail from DB team. We want to schedule a job at 11:30 p.m. Okay, 11:30 p.m. on 17th of November. Okay, 17th of the November. This is the request. Okay, so they want to schedule the job on this particular day. Okay, from DB team. This is the request. Now, based on this request, you are the persons to convert into the cron job syntax. Then they will give the script also. Okay, so Oracle backup script. Okay, Oracle hyphen back backup script. Some script they will give .sh. The script ends with the .sh. Okay, this is the shell script. So they given the script and they want to schedule on this particular request. Okay, fine. Now, so we have 5 stars, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this script name. Okay, so how to execute the scripts also, you can use this command sh this one, or you can use a dot slash also, dot slash that script name. This is the way to execute the scripts. Okay, so remember, now we will convert into, okay, so we will convert this line into our based on our request. Okay, so here syntax, right, this one command or script. So first star means minutes, right? Can you go and check any minute is there? 30th minute, correct? Then first star you can keep 30. That's it. Then simply one space. Don't give more spaces, sir. One space only. Then second star is the hour 11. Be careful, guys. If you give 11, right, it will go and execute on AM. Okay, explicitly I mentioned right here. PM 23. Okay, be careful. Okay, if I am not mentioned any value here, right, then you have to go and ask to the DB team, hey DB team, you mentioned the 11:30, so what 11:30, either AM or PM, you should go and question them, then they will come up with the exact timings. Okay, so here I mentioned right PM, so that's why you should give the 23. Okay, fine. Then third star is day of the month, so date. 17th November. 17th Harish answer. Balu, what is your answer? Anil is telling 11 November. Balu, are you there? Sadia. So third star is day of the month. So in a month we have 1 to 31 days, right? It's like a date. Okay. On which date they want to execute, guys? 17th, not month. Okay. So month is the fourth star. Still we are at the second star only, right? The third star only, right? So be careful. Third star is the month. Okay, Anil? Clear? So 17th. Then fourth star. Fourth star is the month. In which month they want to execute? In November. So 11 will come. That's it. 11. Then, so here interesting thing. They are not specified any day. Okay? So they are not specified any day. If they are not giving any values of the stars, right, then you can simply go with the star only. That's it. Then this is the script. Okay, so this is the way you have to convert into the syntax. Then you can go and apply the command. Now I will tell you the command. Cron tab, this is the command, cron tab hyphen e. Okay, hyphen e in the sense editing or execute. Okay, so cron tab hyphen e, this command will take you to the one file actually. Okay, so what is the configuration file means? Slash etc slash cron tab only. Okay, so this is the file. It will go and save your, it will take you to this file. Then we know, right, how to edit the file with help of vi. In the same way you can go and add your data, then save the file. That's it. Then system will, whenever, based on your condition, right, whenever the system time date reaches this condition, then it will go and trigger this. Okay, fine. Yes. Yes, yes. On a single server, multiple teams are working. Yes. Yes, I understood your question. So if you want to provide this Crontab access, right, to normal people also, you can allocate, you can provide the access. Even normal user also can schedule the jobs. Okay. No, no, only one Crontab. Okay, but multiple people can schedule the jobs. No, no, see, if you want to schedule two jobs, okay, then you can give another extra line, then schedule your job. That is the way. Okay, fine. So this is the way you can go. Now when it will reach, guys, 17th November. So what is today? 24th January. We can't wait until this time, right? Then how can I prove it? How can I prove this, whether my system is running or my cron tab is running or not? Yes. So let me give another scenario. Okay, now DevOps team will come. Hi OS team, we want to schedule a deployment job on following server. Okay, with the below condition. Okay, yes, they will give server name. Otherwise there are 3000 servers are there. In which server they want to schedule? You should ask them, right? Okay, so don't go and schedule on all 3000 servers. Okay, be careful. So they will give some server 10.10.1.0 2.1 whatever, and script. Okay, most of the time people are scheduling scripts only. Okay, deployment.sh, this is the script. Now condition. So every 5 hours, this is the condition. That's it. Best regards, DevOps team. Okay, so this is the condition. Now every 5 hours. Interesting. So now we have 5 stars, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Then script or command, whatever. So here they given only the 5 hours. There is no other minutes, other values, minutes, date, day of the month, months, day of the week. This and all not there. If any of the values not there means simply you can go with the stars only. Second star I am not giving because second star is the hours, right? I will tell you the logic now. Remaining all are star, 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 star. That's it. Then this script deployment.sh. Okay. So now the logic is every 5 hours, right? Simply you can go with a star by 5. That's it. Okay. Star by 5. Are you getting? Or there is another possibility star. So every 5 hours, right? Let's assume 0 is the 12 o'clock. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, then 10, comma, 15, comma, like this it will go and execute. Okay. 20. Then again 1 will come. Correct. 24 hours. Fourth hour again 1 hour will come, right? 1 o'clock will come. Then 1, then 6. Like this you have to design. But to giving all this nonsense, right? Simply you can go with the star by 5. That's it. That's why to ignore that confusion, okay, simply you can go with the star by 5. It means star by 5 means every 5 hours it will go and execute this one. I will prove it now. Even 5 hours also very difficult to wait, right? Now what I will do, every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes, now just raise your hands. Who knows the logic? Who knows the syntax now? Every 10 minutes. Ishwar raised. Pavni raised. So my question, Balu is also raised. My question is only every 10 minutes I want to trigger one job. Every 10 minutes, minutes means the first star, right? You can leave the first star. Then remaining, there are no any values, right? Simply go with all star, 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 star. Then command. So simply here first star every 10 minutes means first star by 10. That's it. So this is the logic. So every 10 minutes the script will execute. Okay. In the same way, if I give every 1 minute means every 1 minute I want to execute. Now star by 1. Don't say only star by 1. You should complete the syntax, right? Command. N by 1 is equal to, I want to teach mathematics now. How many agreed with this, guys? N by 1 is equal to 0. Harish, what is your answer? N by 1 equal to 0 or something else? Balu? N by 1 equal to n. Others? Pavani? Are you there? 0. Very good. Whose answer? Undefined. Harisha? Harish answer is undefined. What, guys? Your turn completed. See, all are failed except Balu. This is very, very, very basic thing. 1 by 1, how much? 1. 10 by 1, 10. Like that, n by 1, n. So it may star by 1. What is the value of star by 1? Hmm? Star. That's it. So if you go on schedule, if you go and give all stars means, it means every minute it will go and execute this command. That's it. So compared to other scenarios, this will be very easy, right? So within the minute, I mean after minute, we will go and check that status, right? We can validate this, right? Okay. Now what I will do, I will give all stars, then this echo command. Okay, then I will give this echo command. Okay, this echo command somewhere I written, right? Echo and this one. Yeah, this one. This append symbol. Yeah, this one. Okay, echo, echo. Welcome to SK Technologies. Okay. Okay. So this is I am going to TMP, then DB script. I will give like a DB script. Okay. DB script.sh, or you can give like this. Okay. So this time I am not going to execute this command. I will go and instruct to my server, hey server, go and execute this command. Okay. So I will give the command here. Then every minute this will go and execute this command. Okay. So every time, every minute, this line will be adding into this file. Okay. We will validate. Clear? Balu, Arish, Sadia, Anil. Where is this Mansoor, man? Mansoor not at all joining. I don't know people why they are not joining regularly. Anyhow, so I will go with the command called this one, crontab -e. Then I will add this line and save the file. Okay. So before that, there is a respective package is crontab only. Okay. See, if the command is working means the command is in the backend, there is a respective package. Okay, if the package is available, if the package installed on a server, then only we are getting the commands. Okay, let me go and check my server. So how to check command available or not means which is the command, which and you can type the command. Then it will, let me give the ls. So it will show the path of the ls. See, usr bin ls. You can give all commands also, which touch. See, usr bin touch, which user add, usr sbin and user add. Okay, all commands, which cat also command, right? See, which is the command, it will show the path of the commands. If the path is available, then the command is available. Let me give which and SKTech. See, the command no SKTech in all these areas. If you found like this means then the command is not found. Okay, let me try to crontab. Generally you won't get this. Oh, in Amazon Linux you won't get this, but RHL, right? So it is available now. Super. So nothing to install any package. So directly can go and use. So crontab -L. I will do the L. L means list. See, currently no crontabs for the root user. Even normal users also can schedule the crontabs. Okay, so currently no crontabs, no any jobs for the root user. Now I will go on to schedule crontab -E. E for editing. See, okay. So now escape I. This is the VI page, same VI page only. So now we can add this line. Okay, this line. That's it. Now save this. and come out from the tab. Now installing a new cron tab. Super. Now can go on list. See, now one entry added. So even you can list like this also, and there is a configuration file which is /etc cron tab. This is the file. So even you can read this file also having same data. Okay. Oh, this is the configuration file. Okay. Not having the cron tab. So okay, fine. Okay, you can ignore this. So this is the command to check the cron tabs. Okay. Now date you can check. So currently date is 2 o'clock 22:02. Okay. So midnight 2 o'clock 22 minute. It is the UTC. Okay. Someone changed my date maybe. UTC time is now I think after evening, not midnight. Anyhow, so this is the current date. Now let me list the file. What is the file I given? This one. See, file has been created. Okay, so file has been created. Oh, it's a PM. Sorry, this is right. This is the PM. Okay, see, 1422 file has been created, and you can go and read the file. See, one entry added. See, I am not created this file. I am not added this entry. Who added? System added. Now again, 23rd minute. See, 23rd minute we reached. Now we can go and check. See, there are two entries. Okay. Again, if the time reaches 24th, right? 24th minute, again another entry will add it. That's it. Hence proved. Okay. How to check the line numbers, guys, in a file? Question is, no, I want to check the line numbers. I don't want to display the line numbers. My question is, I want to count the line numbers. WC-L. Very good. WC-L on which file? This is the file. See, another line added. It means we reached another minute, 24th minute. See, if 25th minute reaches means again another line will add. Another line will get added. Okay, it means our cron is running. That's it. Okay, guys. That's why, man. Star by one, star both are same, right? Star by one means star only, right? That's why I given star. If I give star by 5 means then every 5 minutes it will go on add. Okay. So until waiting for 5 minutes, 1 minute waiting is easy, right? Now you can go and check. Yeah, 25th minute. Then you can go and count the lines. See, 4. So until you stop this cron tab, right? You remove this entry, right? This job keep on running. That's it. Okay. So keep on. It will be running. If you give, let me edit again. Cron tab -e. Okay. So here, if I give escape I, if I give 23, then save. Okay. Now cron tab -L. So now this command, right? When it will get execute, guys? Okay. Very good. Arish, what is your answer? Arish? Balu. Okay, so whenever, not every 23 hours, it means whenever time reaches the 12 o'clock PM. Okay, I am not given the star by 23, right? See, if I give star by 23 means then every 23 hours. I just given only 23. Yes, 11 PM it will go on. If the time reaches now 2 PM. Yes, not only one time. Again tomorrow. See, today date 24th, right? If you give only 24th here, then, but I am not given date, time, right? Date, hour, this and all others. So star means repeatedly it will. Repeatedly it will. Whenever time reaches 11 o'clock, then it will go and execute this command. That's it. Okay. So this is the cron tabs scheduling. Okay. Even there is a service for the cron tab. systemctl status cron d. I think systemctl status spelling mistake. Okay. In the backend, right? In the backend, these services are running. That's why this utility is working. Sometimes developers will come. Hey Linux team, hey Unix team, hey OS team. We scheduled one important application services in server, but those are not executing. Okay. So here, let me write here. So this is the package name. Then what is the service name, guys? Cron D. Okay. And configuration file. Okay. Configuration is slash under cron D, I think cron D. Okay. So cron D is a configuration path. Then there is a log files also. Okay. So these all are very, very important, guys. Now onwards, you can maintain this. Okay. So log file, I will tell you what is log file means. /var log, then cron dot logs, I think cron dot log. Okay. So now I will go and check the logs. cd /var/log. This is very, very important path. We will be discussing this in future. Okay. So I am here /var/log. So here many files are there. Okay. Now if you observe, there is a file called cron. Now you can go and read it. So many entries, see. And see, too much data it is displayed, right? I don't want to display all this. I want to display only last 100 lines I want to display, or last 20 lines I want to display. What is the command, guys? I want to display from last 20 lines. Then file name, you should tell file name also. Okay. So this will, see, only 20 lines. If you read the logs, okay, if you read the logs, see here 20 422. Okay, this command executed. 423 423, I mean sorry, 223, this is 2 o'clock, right? 1423 means 2 o'clock. This command executed. Again 224, this command executed. Then we begin with the edit and replaced. We edited, right? See, that also captured. The cron tab clearly telling root user is edited. So we edited. Okay. Now let me again set it to the cron tab -e. So I am again making it as a all stars, which means every minute I want to run this job. Okay, so every minute. Now you can go and check the log. Tail hyphen 15 you can give 15, then cron. See, time is 14:31, right? Okay, so 14:31. We will wait another 20 seconds. The time it reaches 14:32, right? Then one entry should be here. One entry should be here. Okay. So this is the way you have to validate. So each and everything capturing, guys, in the back end. Your system is capturing. Okay. Now let me check the date again. Yeah. Now we reached 22, right? 32, right? 14:32. Now tail hyphen 15. Okay. Then cron. File name is cron only. See. Now two entries added. Okay. At 40:32, two entries added. Now this is running. This command is executed and command ended, and this command is executing. That's it. Okay. Now interesting question. See, tail command, right? The moment I execute this tail command, right? It is executing based on your condition. It is executing, and again it is coming out from the command. Correct. See, hash prompt showing means it is came out from the command. Now I don't want to came out from the command. I want to see the ongoing logs. Okay. See, every minute this will be generating the events, right? Every minute. Now I want to see continuously. I want to see those logs. Very, very, very important command. Tail hyphen F option. Okay. Hyphen F. Then you can line how many lines you want to display. Then you can enter. Invalid context. Okay. Hyphen F space 15 hyphen F, I think so. Yeah, 15 hyphen F. Okay. This hyphen F option, right? See, now see, I didn't come out from the command now. I'm still there. See, my prompt is still here, right? It not thrown the hash prompt. See now, see 14:34, right? When the time reaches the 14:34, right? Again, the lines will display here. Okay. So this is the command even interviewers also ask. So are you doing something in the file? Are you monitoring the logs? So I want to see continuously ongoing logs. What is the command? Okay. So you should use the hyphen F option here. Hyphen F and how many? Last 15 lines it will display. Then see 35. Just now triggered. See these two lines. Okay. So this is the way you have to monitor the logs also. Okay. Are you getting, guys? Tail hyphen F command is very, very important. Regularly we are using. And this where, okay, so this where log is path is also crucial path where your all your events. So even you are logging into your server, right? That when you log in, from which server you are logging, and at which time you logged in, all details are capturing, guys. Each and everything capturing under this path with the different event names. Okay. So this is the Crontabs. Now, how to provide access to the users? This is interesting thing. How to provide or how to restrict user to restrict. Okay, so restrict user to Crontab access. Okay, how to provide, how to restrict both. This is your task, guys. This is interview question also. Okay, find out. I'm stopping the recording.